Picks does not guarantee the numbers shown on this channel will result in lottery wins. Individuals who play the numbers shown on this channel understand that there are no guaranteed results and do so at their own risk. Hi, lottery queens and kings. Welcome to Chloe Picks. I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If not, welcome back. Guys, it's a new week and it's time to hit the reset button. And I'm excited to share with you the Pick 3 lottery numbers for the week of November 3rd through November 9th. This is a list of 20 numbers, good for all states and all drawings. But before I share these numbers, just want to make sure you had a chance to watch my number one hot tip Pick 3 lottery video. If not, I will link it in the description box. So let's get into it. The first two numbers on my list this week are 097 and 015. On the next page, I have 172 and 192. Next up, 279 and 241. 302 and 342. Two numbers leading with a 4, 431 and 456. I also like to share 521 and 536. On the next page, 670 and 608. Here's some more numbers, 713 and 739. Next, 827 and 842. Here are two more numbers, 963 and 901. As always, guys, good luck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Talk to you in the next video.